So I made something. I didn't video it, but now I'm going to video it after the fact. This is a Harley Davidson Dunlop tire I got for free at a motorcycle repair shop. And I made a very small workout sled, pull sled with it. Cut some plywood that I had spare scrap plywood. I used jigsaw. And then on the inside, I just put a piece of strut that I have. I got strut pieces all over. I had from past lives, I got strut. So I use it for all kinds of stuff. I could have screwed the plywood to the tire, but I didn't. I just put this in, bolted it through the plywood. It's held on. Took some L brackets, made a hook. It was already rounded. This was already rounded off because I had it used for something else in my old shed back at the old house. And I just put a bike cable on, and then some motorcycle straps. Pull it, and you can throw some weight inside. You can take it to a park, you can pull it in front of your house, you know, whatever. It works pretty good. I made it yesterday, played with it a little bit this morning with the wife. I'll throw some video on how it works.
Stop it. I had to use my energy, my leg, my arm. It's good. I don't know what it. It's good though. Make me breathe harder.